abusuafo mamu nyina akwa ade ba oman koso dwumedie so be pie mu wache mache ase no wo bre mu south mansini mu na oman koso dwumedie ye de nano abepie mu wache mache ase jungle warfare school wo be pie mu ha bi bre mu atoye nyina ha ana sojafo school ba ko pe sojafo etete wo wa ha na nei open day dwumedie a wo mo ye ne 7th March afibia no ene yabo pin omanfo a ye no medi nkomo ne sojafo no so abon nkomo ba ne sen ene nei wo mabie kwan mu sa amanfo mra ne mu medi nsa wo so amanfo mra ne medi nketa ho efo dwumedie a wo mu die mpo se wo si ehye tuo di o mudwuma wo forest ne mu ne ade ne behwe ne nyina medin ade kwasi azo dwumedie no ayo man koso
Senior high school. Achiasin Senior High School.
Mensaka Kopra Otu Amoa ewa ha yeguso a wache chance jungle warfare mo forest anasa mo kwaye kese mu ne wo ya ye ne asojafo bi yeguso a bompu ni mpu edi nkomo ahwe ne ekọ ha Kopra Otu Amoa ewa ha Kopra mo akwa ba
ya nia
bia boko de
boko
Kopra ye hwe ene ma pensem haban bebre edi egu ha ase ne sen na haban ko ne de hene de he ne aso fa so pa ene de we
yo ne di kan me da wase ewo asema a wabi sai hu na ne ametimi aka nso ne se esojafo da ne da nyina ye training na training no nso eye Ghana ho banbo ene mo ho do ene senia da ne da nyina se moto nsa frɛ ye se o ha obi aba ewo se ye di mirika ne be boa ma bibia da ne kwan mu nti no ye training anase ye boa ye ho abre ne bre nyina ewo sa eye enhaban ya hu a hai ene afoforo eye training foforo ayeye sene be ya emre bia mo eho beba kwan se mo beton safre no ye betumi enya hoden dia beye adwuma bia mo pese ye mamu no na ne di kan haban a hu a hai ye wo wotayenti asan haban yi wa ha ye free bibi jungle survivor, that is to survive in the jungle or to stay alive in the jungle whilst in operation. Yes, like as soldiers gone are the days as in World War II, Korea War, Vietnam War and the like. Field Marshal Slim, as a result of facing more casualties, as a result of operating in the jungle without knowing the in and out of the jungle operations, they suffered more casualties. Field Marshal Slim came out with tactics and techniques as to how to operate in jungle without facing much problems or facing much casualties. Okay, with jungle survival, like I've said earlier on, say person survival or jungle man, I say we pretty or jungle effectively. It is so simple. There are some things you need to consider. Yes, the word survivor itself, it has some acronym that we have put in place that will aid one to operate in the jungle without facing problems. Yes, the first alphabet, which is S, says that we should size up the situation. So when you face a problem or a situation, just size up the situation, knowing the country, the area, and then where you are operating, what has caused that problem, and then why are you at that particular place. Okay, that is the meaning of the first alphabet, which is S. Okay, the next alphabet, which is U, will tell you that undue haste make waste. Because at that moment you might be in a hurry or you'll be eager to move ahead, or because of time, as you are working with time always, you will be in a hurry to move and then finish with whichever operation you are conducting. But however, you should know that if you are in haste, you end up facing bigger problems or adding more problems to the existing ones. So we will tell you that the U means undue haste, make waste. Okay, the next alphabet, which is R, will tell you that remember where you are. Remember that you are not in the comfort of your home. So must you remember that you are not in the comfort of where you find yourself all the time. You are at a place where other animals or other people live, where you are not conversant with. You are not used to the situations there. So remember that where currently you are is not where you are used to. And then you must also understand that the next alphabet, which is VIN, will tell you that vanquish all fears and panic. Do away with all fears, because we know that fears is contagious. The moment you harbor fears in you, when you are operating, even if a dry leaf falls, you might think that it is a wild animal which is coming. If even a lizard falls from a tree, you might think that it is a wild animal which is coming. And then you might panic or run away. So we will tell you that do away with all fears and then panic. Get boldness, gather courage, and then ensure you put all tactics or all things you have been taught into practice, and then you'll be able to survive and then come home safely. Okay, the next alphabet, which is I, tells us to make good use of the available materials by improvising. So improvisation comes in mind here. We will improvise using the local materials and then the available materials you have within your reach. So like, let me cite an example. As you are in the forest, you wouldn't get 5-star hotel to sleep in. You wouldn't get mattress to relax on. But however, when you come across a situation like that, or you face a problem like that, you need to break sticks, fresh leaves. You need to construct bushes. You need to create something, your own comfort. That is what will make you survive or live there without facing much problems. For the number of days you intend to stay there and come back alive. Okay, the next alphabet, which is VIN, will tell you to value life. Because at that time, so many things will be running in mind. At that time, so many things will be going on, and then you will be eager to run away. You will be eager to end your life. You'll be eager to do something that will cause more casualty to the existing ones. Okay, that is when you must realize that yes, the country needs you alive, your school needs you alive, your nation or your society, your friends, your siblings, your family needs you alive. So that time, all die no be die. That is not when you consider that anything at all goes in. That is when you must consider that your health is more important. Because at that time, you might be so thirsty. Any dirty water at all you meet, you might be eager or tempted to, drink it. You must consider that health is paramount. At this point, just taking into consideration hygiene, and then practice all the necessary things that will aid you to stay there without facing much problems and coming out of such a problem alive. Okay, the next alphabet, which is A, will tell you to act like a local. You might come across a village or a place you are not used to, but the villagers might prefer eating fufu every night. You wouldn't, or you might not be used to that. But however, when you face a problem like that, you tell them, I don't eat fufu, I don't go by this, my tradition, or I taboo this. They will know that there is an intruder. If they greet by slapping each other, please greet by slapping, else they will know that there is an intruder. Whatever they do same. Just try to mingle with them, try to pretend you are with them, else they will know you are an intruder. They might give your position out to the enemies you are fighting with. So you might face bigger or further problems that will add more salt to envy, like we always say. So you act like them. That is why the alphabet A says that we should act like a local. Okay, the next and the last alphabet, which is L, will tell us to learn the basic skills of survival, as you are seeing here. The leaves and everything, as in things that will aid you to survive right from the beginning to end. Okay, one will not just wake up and say that I'm practicing survival. You can't just wake up one day and say I'm going to the forest and then I'm going to practice survival, or I'm going to be in the jungle and then say I'm doing what the military man is saying. No, it is not so. Something will definitely trigger something. That is why there are some circumstances that will lead one to practice survival. Those circumstances, some are these. Yes, when you are in operation, you've been asked to stay at where you are, that is your operational area without resupply. Okay, you have been asked to stay there for 1 week, but all of a sudden your commander calls you and then tells you that, gentlemen, we are not done with our operation. We are to stay there for 2 days in addition. You have not been given food. There is a need for you to stay alive and then conduct your operation successfully and come back home safely. That is one thing that will push one to practice survival. Also, when you face air or any other accident, as in you being in an aeroplane, helicopter, when you have any accident by way of transporting troops or moving to an operational area, when you face any accident and then God willing you survive, there will be the need for you to practice survival this time around, to stay alive, for you to rejoin your unit or your group as a whole later on. Okay, when you are lost whilst on patrols, you are on patrols, all of a sudden you lost your track or your way in the jungle. The jungle is neutral, like we always say. All trees and then leaves, everything looks the same. So when you get lost in the jungle, you miss your track, definitely you get lost. So with that, you need to consider things as in what I'm about to talk about, and then know that the things that I'm talking about will help you come home safely. Okay, there are so many others that we can consider, but this time around, let's put a stop to where we've gotten to and then move ahead. Yes, there are some essentials that will aid one to stay in a jungle or bush or forest for a number of days, possibly months, years, and then stay there alive, come home, and enjoy with the family. And then also operate with the unit or group the person was operating with. Okay, you know that food is essential. So do we also know that water is essential? There are 5 as in military terms. We have food, we have water, we have shelter, we have fire, and then we have jungle medicine as well. Okay, with this, we have other stands that when you go through them, they will talk about fire, they will talk about food, so they talk about water as well. But over here, I will talk about some importance or uses of herbal medicines or jungle medicines, like I've termed it. Yes, I have here some few ones that I would like to talk about. Okay, this is a plant by name wild ginger. Wild ginger. Ladies and gentlemen, with wild ginger, when you are very thirsty in the jungle and then you come across wild ginger, just make good use of it by peeling off the outer shells, that is the ones you are seeing outside. Just take the inner part. It looks like sugar cane, but it doesn't taste like sugar cane. It tastes a bit sour. However, the water content in it is what we are looking for. When you are very thirsty in the jungle or bush, you don't need a tank of water or a gallon of water to feel okay. But something small to wet your throat or quench your thirst is what you need. Let's make progress. Most of us are afraid of forest or bush because of wild animals like snakes. When you are being bitten by a snake and also wakawa, cocoyam. Yes, menkain cocoyam. Just cut the stem. Emufita na uhuno. Yedikan, baby abwane ka on a chichresrona. Just tie the uppermost part of the bite and then beneath of the bite to ensure that the poisonous substance wouldn't travel into your system and then possibly cause more harm. The next thing is apply the whitest sap you are seeing on the screen to the affected area, and then it will bring the poisonous substance out. Okay, there is one thing that we use very, very effective. Just go in for charcoal, not any other charcoal, but however, the charcoal of fruits, as in charcoal of orange tree, charcoal of mango tree, and then charcoal of any other fruit that you can mention. Just go in for that charcoal, grind them together, and then make it powder. As and when you face challenges, as in poisonous substance in your system, just take a little tablespoon full, put it in water, stir and drink. That is all. The poisonous substance in your system will be over. It will go. In fact, it will take everything out. Yes, we have here a plant by name Ojama locally. Yes, with Ojama, gone are the days our forefathers were using Ojama to prepare food. We didn't know the values or the importance of it, but now we know. The medicinal values we have in Ojama are many that we can't do away with it when we talk about herbal medicines. Okay, with this, when we contact foot rot or one contact foot rot, whilst in operation, in the absence of orthodox medicine, you can go in for the fresh leaves of Ojama. Just mash it in your palm this way, and then place it at the affected area in between your toes, and then maximum just repeat in the morning, do it in the morning, repeat evening, maximum 3 days time your foot rot will be over whilst in operation. Yes, the same process or procedure is also good for curing of candidiasis, that is white, with our ladies. Just grind it before then, wash it in any salty solution and then grind it. use cotton, insert a little in the morning. At night when you come back, do same. In fact, do not exceed 1 week, because if you do, it will be so tight that you will face problems. That is it. That is just by the way. But do not exceed 1 week. Very effective. The same leaves, you can boil it and drink it for the same effect. It has so many medicinal values that it can add to the system as well. Magnifera indica, mango. When you facing problems with malaria fever, typhoid fever, or possibly high fever, we have other leaves that you can add to it. But with malaria fever, just boil the fresh leaves and then the bark of the mango tree. So will it help you cure or stop any problem of that kind? Eti nechino so obi a obowa nechino mango nechino obi obowa obone nechina na owa nechina emu yellow no ore emu yellow no kakra no amini mu nsuo. That is all to with your cough. Just do it maximum 3 days. You will see tremendous improvement. This is the fresh leaves of weeping willow, Christmas tree. Sana dodo na freno. Yet or garden as garden plant. But however, this time around, when you are having malaria fever or typhoid fever, just go in for this leaf. Now have no fresh one or any chino, and then everything will be okay with you. Okay, moringa leaves. With moringa leaves, I will limit it because of its medicinal values. I will limit it to food supplement. Just use moringa leaves as your food supplement. But moringa leaves, fresh ones, not dry, not under the direct sunshades or rays. At a very cool place, dry the moringa leaves and then pound it or blend it. Sieve it as and when you are eating. Just take a tablespoonful, sprinkle it on the food, and then that is all. Hardly will you visit the hospital. This is very, and then the importance of it. Yes, this is sour soup. Sour soup, alugun to green, as we always term it. Yes, may I say. When you have high blood pressure, BP, just go in for it. If you have any fever of it kind, just go in for this. Boil it and then drink it. It will cure your BP for you. We only eat the fruit, but we didn't know the values of the fresh leaves. You have been taught. Never leave alugun to green like that. This is the fresh leaves of Gossypium guava, as we locally term it, guava. With guava, when you're having dysentery or running stomach, as we locally term it, running stomach, just boil the fresh leaves of guava, drink the water, and then everything will be okay. Yes, if you have BP, that is blood pressure too, this also helps in solving that problem. It has other spiritual uses too as well, but we can talk about it later. Yes, this is Ocimum gratissimum, nunum, as we locally term it. It has so many medicinal values that we can't talk about it. But however, when you want to make effective use of Ocimum gratissimum, just get handful of Ocimum gratissimum, grind it, add cloves of garlic, like 2. Add a little ginger to it and then use it as enema. That is all to it. Hardly will you visit the hospital when you do this. In fact, every now and then, as in once a week, it's going to help the system a lot. Okay. Indian almond. When you're facing problems with jaundice, just go in for the dry leaves. As you don't value it, Indian almond. Just go in for the dry leaves of Indian almond. Wash it clean and then boil it. Take in the fluid or the liquid as and when you are feeling tasty, and then within maximum 2 weeks your jaundice will be out of your system. This is by name Fengs Abeya, as you locally term it, Fengs. Yes, with this, when you are a diabetic patient, do not allow this to bypass you or go by you. Anytime you come across this, just take a handful or a little, boil it and then drink as and when you are tasty to flush out the sugar, or to bring the sugar level down. This is Paulina pinatum, as we term it, as 20. Yeah, Paulina pinatum with 20. It also has its medicinal values that, as the name goes, 20, it strengthens your bones and then it helps men as well. In fact, as and when you feel weak, just go in for Paulina pinatum, the fresh leaves and then the root of it. Boil it and drink it, no additive, and then you see the values it has in it. Okay, without wasting my time, we'll talk about food. Food was mentioned as an essential of survival, right? With food, I will tell you to make good use of any available food within your reach. However, be extra careful. Some foods are very poisonous. Some foods are very poisonous. Make sure you are too conversant with the fruit or food you are about consuming. If you are not too sure, please do away with it. There are numerous fruit plants that you can make good use of as and when you come across them. But with a snake like this, as in royal python like this, if you want to make good use of a royal python like this, please ensure the head, that is both ends, head and tail, are off. Do away with 6 inches, and then it depends on the length and then the size of the snake. If you have a size like this, you can't do away with 6 inches. You will be doing away with most part of the meat. That is why a size like this, you need to do away with 6 inches. Okay, the next thing is the fat in the snake is medicinal. And then with the medicinal value of this very snake, as in the fat, please do not add fire to the skin. Do not peel off the scales first, as in applying fire to the skin first. Dissect the animal, take out the intestine, as novice as you are, because you can't make good use of it. As an expert, when you come and meet the intestine in my live soup, in fact, you will feel jealous. Yes. As novice as you are, please do away with the intestine. Bury it far away. Also, the fat is medicinal, like I said. Preserve it well, and then preservation is like this. Do not dry it under the direct sunshades. Do not put it on fire, and then do not also put it under the dew. Just put it in your room for the room temperature to melt it, and then you get the values or the effect of it very well. The rest is good for human consumption. In fact, the rest is good for consumption as in animal, human, or any other. Yes, it is also good for preparation of any meal at all, as in your fried rice, your jollof rice, your pepper soup, your groundnut soup, abekati konto, and then the like.
You better say copra otu amoa one chechemu ade ama na wo ka bibi se enam ibetimi e de aye onkati konto no ne ade ade na 6 feet ni 6 feet aye ntwai anu twa obeto atwene ananso no so de be kati konto se ne awoka
no kre nti a ye 6 feet ni se aboa we se ni breba eye ne boro na ewo ni mu no eye poisonous substance na ewo ni mu no eba ne ton ene ne fangs no ne seno ne fangs no eba honom na asa when na aba honom no wo ye rougher from that time no nua kan wa onso no benya problem entina to be too safe say maybe some few minutes after aboa no wuye no wanya aggressive inti poison bi anko no to be too safe no do away with 6 inches. You know that with that you wouldn't face any problem.
Na nremu aboa bebrebe wo hoi o wonko an nei mo de abeto ase yemfa mo katikonto na very good for human consumption.
Aboa hodo bebre wo hono mo sene awka ye no na asrafo sojafo dane den nyina emwa we emwa yetahyiom ene se ye fam adwuma ewo nrem na mo enso yenim se omotwe omoto ase ne omafu ewo fam dane den nyina ye hyiom a atenga ira atenga sene etie ne se ye ne omotentam so na onim se sene a osrani ne aboy atentam de ba o mesinkunim de be bo osrani na fa intino ye di omusunkuni na wudi aboa we sunkunim dia na ne o se obomoden de ne ba fi be ye no ho adwuma entia na hu sa aboa we wa ha no aboa hodo bebre wo nso mo nye common entia
yehwe edura wa chechiri ano no aya amokọ forest ni mana se mo wo nwura ni mu a na mo no yanom ana mo ribi di pre mo kwa
yo beda se e wa se mbisa we ni ametimi aka e wo ni a wobisa hu se ye wo hospitals e wo barracks garrisons but we amachi eye indro ya amachi eye ade bia se o ho kire wo pom na aka wo nko a sɛ na me kyerɛ circumstances ne ɛbɛyɛ ama wobɛyusu saa nneɛma wei no saa haw ne nto wo ya yɛyɛ operation bia yɛne nurses ɛne doctors in operating nti sɛ ɔhaw bi ato a ɔmbɛboa ma biribi ada ne kwam but mmerɛ a saa haw no ɛnto wo yɛ ne deɛ doctors ɛne nurses ne bɛhwɛ wo so ɔhaw no to wo deɛ a sɛnea makyerɛ no you must have it at your fingertips sɛnea ɛbɛboa wo ɛma daa ne da nyinaa wobɛtumi ayusu wɔ mmerɛ a doctor na nurse ni wɔ sɛ ɔbɛboa wo
papa yɛda ase sɛ wo ne ɛdi
nso meda m ase.
Concentration and discipline.